Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what exactly is covered by flood insurance when it comes to basements. This is probably a question that we get 10, 15, 20 times a week. You know, it's people's biggest concerns, especially as you get into areas like in the South, like in Alabama and Georgia, and even Tennessee where you have a lot of basements, or Minnesota, North Dakota, Idaho, where you have a lot of basements because of snow or because of severe weather, even into the Midwest, when it comes to storm shelters and things like that. So today we want to talk about what exactly is covered when it comes to flood insurance when we're talking about basements. First of all, let's talk about what is covered. As you can see behind me here, we've got a heater. You may see some ductwork behind me. You know, these are things that are considered required to keep a building safe. Those are the things that are going to be covered in your basement when it comes to flood insurance. So we're talking about a furnace, we're talking about water heaters, circuit breakers, things like that. Things that are not going to be covered, let's say you finish your basement or you put some carpet in, you know, things that just kind of finish out a basement, like things that are not going to be covered are going to be like drywall, carpet, window treatments, things like that. Now, when it comes to contents, you can get contents coverage in your basement. However, when it comes to the National Flood Insurance Program, generally contents coverage, things that are covered are going to be things like freezers, refrigerators, things that have food in them. Those are going to be some kind of limitations. Now, you do have some private flood insurance companies that do take it a step further and do cover up to about $10,000, maybe even $20,000 in personal belongings and basements. But it's really limited there. So when you're looking at purchasing flood insurance, this is one of the factors you want to take in. Hey, if a claim does occur, how am I going to be reimbursed? Or, you know, is my policy going to cover this? Is my policy going to cover that? So when it comes to your basement, you really want to think about these things. You also want to think about keeping your contents on a higher level, especially when it comes to snow melt season in Minnesota, or it comes to wet season in the South, hurricane season possibly even. Generally, you don't have houses with a lot of basements that are within that hurricane area, but these are just some suggestions when it comes to content. So if you've got questions about how exactly your basement's going to be covered when it comes to flood insurance, please reach out to us at floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in hazard and flood mitigation, so we can help you understand your flood insurance, your flood risk, and help you mitigate your property long term. You can also reach out to us on our YouTube or Facebook channels, The Flood Insurance Guru, or just give us a call, 205-451-4294. Thank you.